Hello, this is Tim Powell. This is my lovely wife Penny. But I'm going to show you how to go ahead and install the um, uh, encrypted email function that we want. And an application called SendFile or Send Safely. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my personal account. Right now I'm logged in as. So now I'm in my personal email. So they've changed the tabs in here. They're just telling me they changed the tabs, which is great. So anyways, if you want to add it, you're going to add the program as an extension by going to the Chrome Web Store. We're going to look up Chrome Web Store extensions. We're going to look up Send Safely. And we're going to add it to Chrome. We're going to add the extension. Okay, it's telling me Send Safely encryption for Chrome has been added to Gmail to use this extension. So we're going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to click on it one time. And it's easiest to just log in using your Google account rather than typing up, and doing all this. So I think that though that you have to register the first time. So we're going to register using our Google account. I'm going to enter my password, which luckily comes out as dots so that everyone watching this doesn't know my password. It's going to do a two-step verification, which means I have to go get my phone. This will only take a second. So I'm telling it that it's okay to install the extension on my phone because I use two-step verification, which hopefully everyone is doing. So I'm going to allow Send Safely. And so here's what it's done is it has generated an API key, an API user. So we've created an account on Send Safely. So we're okay. So now we're at configure settings. Now if we want to send something, we can add a recipient address. So I'm going to go ahead and send, I don't want to send this, I'll send this to you. I'll just send it to myself. We can also do this SMS verification, which Google has SMS. Some of the email systems have SMS, so it is kind of useful. So we're going to go ahead and generate a secure link. Oh, we have to add a message. Hello. My SSN is 999-999. And I'm going to go ahead and attach a file. What the heck? So I'm going to go ahead and generate a secure link. So what this has done is it sent an email to me with a secure link, and it's going to send the file, which comes across as an email. And if I want to send more items, I just click on Send More Items. Now, once I've done this, and I close this extension, I can now go to here and I can email recipients and just send things to them. So I'll send myself something else. And I'm going to add a message. And I'll attach a file. And I'm going to generate a secure link. So I can actually view my history. So here I have sent secure links to myself. So if I go back to my email account, I'm going to see that I have emails. So here it tells me that I've added that extension. And then the emails come through here and you will see things that have like a send safely code. This gives you the code that comes along with the email. When the email comes through, you type in this code. The receiver has to open the email within a short period after the code. The code doesn't last a whole long time, so that's part of the security. A free version, you can send small files. If you spend $20 a month, you can send huge files, but this allows you to send secure emails simply through your Chrome browser. Okay, anyways, I will call to talk to you in more detail later.